In this brief little video, we're going to prove the change of basis formula. So we're going to give a proof of the change of base formula. So that is to say, we're going to show that log base b of x is equal to log base a of x divided by log base a of b. And so of course here we want a to be a positive number which is not equal to 1, and same with b. b is a positive number which is not equal to 1. So why would this be true? Well, we're going to start by writing down b to the log base b of x is equal to x. So this is just the cancellation law, or one of the cancellation laws. At this moment, we don't have anything to do with a, so we're going to introduce a. So we're going to use the fact that b is equal to a raised to the log base a of b. So this again is the cancellation law, but now we're just doing it with base a. So we're going to take this value and we're going to plug it in for this b right here. So this quantity, we're just going to replace that with that b, because that's what b is equal to. Okay, so this statement becomes b to the log base b of x, but we're going to rewrite b as a to the log base a of b, and all of this is raised to the log base b of x, but this is still equal to x. Here we have a raised to an exponent raised to another exponent. So what we can do is we can multiply the exponents together. So this is a to the log base a of b times log base b of x. And that's equal to x. The next thing to do is to get all of this stuff out of the exponent. So the way we do that is we use log base a. So we compute log base a of both sides. Or another way of saying it is that this power is the power of a that gives us x. So in other words, the exponent log base a of b times log base b of x, this is the power of a that gives us x. So what do we do now? Well, we just divide by log base a of b on both sides, and we're done. Because now we're going to cancel this log base a of b with that log base a of b, and what is left over is the thing we're looking for, log base b of x. So we'll have log base b of x is equal to log base a of x over log base a of b. And this is the change of base formula right there.